What's up, traders? Welcome to day 8 of the trading challenge. Today we're going to look at how to master the global settings. So how to create your own global settings in order to follow a major trend. So I'll turn off all the conditions and I'll start from one condition and build from there. Now that it's off, let's use one condition and start. Let's use the VWAP condition for the daily. So let's plot one and use combine normals. So the normal condition affects the second VWAP. So as we see, now we're going long above the VWAP and we're going short under the VWAP. So if you want to trade the 1 hour time frame and only go long during that stretch and only go short during the short stretch on the daily, then when we go on the 1 hour chart, we go into settings. Let's reset them to the default settings. Now we're going to go to the VWAP we just selected, but we're going to apply it for the global setting right here. I'm going to select the same condition, so combine normal. Then we're going to apply all the other conditions to local only. So we're going to put the moving average condition to local. We're going to select the global settings right here. We're going to select the 1 day chart. So we went from all those signals going either way with the filtering and following the trend. So if we add targets to this, let's say we add Bollinger Band right here, and let's put a minimum profit of 1%. So now we see we're never going against the major trend and we keep going short with it. So on top of this, you can add even more filtering. You can add a stop. One important thing to know is that if you're using the preset sensitivity, since it's going to adjust those settings automatically, it might change the settings you're trying to set for the global settings. So it's not recommended to use both at the same time. So let's take our example. We have combine normal set for global. But if we use the preset, it might use a different combination here. It might even be off. So we're not going to get the result we're expecting using the preset sensitivity with the global settings. We just looked out to adjust the global settings for short and long at the same time, but we can change it for longs only, short only. We can apply the same concept to change any of the parts of the positions we want. So that offers you a lot of flexibility, and it's really powerful if used correctly. If you haven't watched the video on following the trend, I highly recommend it. We explain how to use all the settings and filters for safe signals, safe globals, and other ways to follow the trend, which can be applied to this video. You can also reverse the global settings, so if you're trying to go against a global trend, you can do the exact same thing but using the reverse option. So as we see, it's not that hard to adjust your global settings and follow a major trend. We hope you find this video useful, and if you have any comments or suggestions, like usual, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 9.